All right, YouTube, we back. All right. Hey, I had to let you guys see from the last video that I made. All right, here we go right here. This is that one that I said was a Stacy Berg. Remember, per Stacy Berg, it was supposed to be a boom, boom, boom. But this one right here was supposed to be a bear. All right. We did not get that bear. Actually, I did not get anything that I wanted on this ticker, meaning signals. We got a signal, but I didn't believe it. All right, but that was it for this one right here. It was bad, and Stacey Berg thing doesn't always work out. Maybe tomorrow we might see that bear. If we see that bear tomorrow, man, that's gonna be what I want to see. That Friday open, man, and just run all the way back down like this. I'm talking about take everybody, all the previous days, just run. I'm talking $7, man. $7 run. All right. I don't want to see that. I would hate for price to run against me $7. That's why I don't like trading tickers for $7. All right. But that's definitely what I want to see this one do. All right. This one again, remember I said I wanted to see price open where it closed. It did that. But then I wanted to see it retrace to the top side. I wanted to see it retest these previous days highs. It you see these little marks right here. That I see that I take that as an intent. All right. It tried to come back to this thing right here, but the algorithm did not allow. All right. So price opened and went into the opposite direction. No real signals there. I think we had something, but I wouldn't take it for a trade. You would have to come to 12 trades to know what I'm talking about. We use these we use this one indicator that it highlights bullishness and bearishness. All right, for this day right here, we actually saw that bearishness get highlighted, and it was right here, brothers. You got to come to 12 trades, but it was right here. It was this area right there. Once it fell below that, we knew that price was going to be a bear. Is I think there's going to be another one that shows it a lot clearer, but it was right there. It was that area right there. Come to 12 trades, man. It was just something that we identified. We were looking for a bull, but that signal gave us that confirmation that we were going to be a bear some more, and that's what happened, man. This thing was a bear some more. All right. All right, let me see this one right here. All right, again, remember, we wanted to see price do a retracement, and it did. We actually got what we wanted with this one. Price opened where it closed, right? And we wanted to see price run these previous lows, run these previous day lows. It did that. All right. It did that, but not the way that we wanted it to do it. All right. We wanted it to run this as a liquidity sweep. It did that. This was a liquidity sweep, but then it changed its mind, gave a bearish signal, and became more of a bear. All right. That's not what we wanted. We wanted to see a liquidity sweep of these previous day lows and then a bull. All right. We did not get that. But we did get that signal to tell us to get the hell out of the way. And sure enough, she continued to be a bear, and she took all of the previous day lows. That's not what we wanted. All right. That's not what we wanted. And for this one, brothers and sisters, I want y'all to see this consolidation right here. All right. We're gonna come to 12 trades, man. I gotta double talk you. All right. Come to 12 trades. But this consolidation right here, this is actually a call. All right. We teach this at 12 trades to be a call. A consolidation is a call right there. All right. That's a call. That's what I teach at 12 trades. I want to see price. I really want to see price run the structure low and then do an expansion, but I don't know. But I definitely want to see this call explode to the top side. All right, I want to see price take that high right there and explode and just go boom. All right, that's what we want to see. But um, I just wanted you guys to see that. 12 trades, they always be looking for that. Hey man, where's that call, man? It's right there, man. That call is a consolidation. It's what it is. It's a consolidation. All right. This one right here. It actually, again, this one gave us what we wanted right there. We wanted to see price open where it closed. It did that. All right. It opened where it closed. And then it gave us a retest of these previous day highs. That's exactly what she did. And gave us a bear. She did exactly what we wanted her to do. All right. Let me see. Yeah. The also with it was confirmed. She had confirmed signals. Even one position, and there was another position coming to our trades, man. You'll know exactly what I'm talking about. There were two positions here for a bear, and they were both there, easy, no problem. And I think there was a highlight area that highlight bullishness and bearishness. It was right here, coming to 12 trades, man. You got to come to 12 trades. It was right there. That was that highlight when price fell below that mark. That was it. She was a bear for sure. But then she became a bull with a signal. All right, with that signal, no problem. If anybody was still in that trade, they would have to get out of that trade. All right, YouTube, man, holla at me.